What's going on, y'all? As you can see, another blown x-13 module inside the motor. The motor, it fine itself, but I'm gonna replace the whole thing just because cost effectiveness. Took the 24 volts off and it's still running. No 24 volts was being sent to the module and it's still running. So we'll slip this bad bitty out, put the new one in, wipe our hands clean, get on to the next call. Boom. Just make sure you know your green, your ground, your brown's common, black and orange are your hots for this specific motor. And like any other Ruud, they make it just stupid to disconnect. You can't just, willy-nilly take this thing off. You gotta do all this extra BS. So get this taken care of. Go that route with it. Flip this over, and I did bring my cooler kit up because that's what I do. I just keep sandcloth in there because just in case we don't need it, we'll still sand this down. Clean it up pretty good there. See how it does. That's good there. We can use our service wrench to pop off. Our locking screw here. Pig. Golly. They put their dick beaters on this one, so I'm gonna use a bigger one. Golly, boy. Well, if that's a sign of anything, I think I'm gonna end up just using the puller, to be honest. Or what we can do is we can step on it. Let's see. Put your fat ass on the housing there. Yeah. There we go. But you can see just how rusted that shaft is on there. It was pretty bad. So that's why I always clean it up. I like to know that these were sitting down, so we'll mark basically here, and I always just kind of put an X where the bolt was in terms of, and then kind of mark pattern, so you know, okay, the plug was here, the band connection was there, this is the depth, and that way it ain't a hassle lining up the new one. Now this unit is fairly old, but it was never registered, so we're going back with the Genteq because it was cheaper than OEM for the customer. So same size. Like I said, we'll be able to lay out kind of the depth. The bottom of the band was here on these grooves, so we'll just match that up all the way. We know that the one part that had the hole on the band is right there. That's how I likes to do it, bruh. And that's all she wrote. So that's basically where we're gonna be, like so. So now we just gotta get our feet in there. Might have to loosen this up to get that on there. Yeah, just a little bit more. Always use a backup wrench there. I don't want it too loose because then this is just slopping all the way around. Want it tight enough to where you put these in that the feet are gonna basically kind of hold themselves in place. Then you can snug it. And once you're able to snug it like a nugget, then you can kind of tighten it down, adjust it, because it's gonna move out of position. And so it's got those little dimples on there. And they're all above that point. And so, back up wrench. First, you want to make sure your drill's in the right spot. So, yep. Don't go down the hole. I'll tell you what, I keep my wallet in my back pocket, and it just hurts my ass all the time. I don't know about you guys. Obviously, that's where you keep your wallet, but I gotta upgrade this thing. And if you need to upgrade your wallet just like me, look no further than getting the Exter Parliament wallet. What you have here with the Exter is an ultra slim RFID protected wallet. What's really great about this, you got the push button right here, can allow you to access all your cards right there. The thing holds up to 6 cards. Inside here, you got a little money clip. You got a couple little card slots here on the inside as well. And right here on the back, they also have another card slot. What I keep in here is a solar powered tracker, which is pretty phenomenal because what it does is, if you're anything like me, it has an app. You can track your wallet if you lose it. Again, that is the Exter Parliament wallet with the push button, allow you that quick access to all your cards. Real slick, real slim. Right now, this is the perfect gift to get. You're gonna save up to 55% using my discount code down below. Now let's get on with the repair video. position so we know that when this thing slides in, it's gonna be, the plug's gonna be right here. Bada bing, bada boom. Went right in on that shizaft. Yep, good deal. Line up the hole and the flat side. Get your locking nut started. Center that bad boy up. Make sure there's no wobble, because then if there's wobble, there's play in your band. So put it on back in. Gotta play with getting this damn thing in. So we try over the top. Don't want to pinch any of the wires. So right on the motor, it tells you got your speed tap numbers up top there, and then you got your lines, your neutrals, your ground, and your common down below. So you just match accordingly. Make sure you knew what wires were what when you plug it in. So black and orange are hots. They come from this lead here, which comes off that bus, connects to our main power coming in. Our speed taps will be up there. The 24-volt low common, which on Ruud, brown, right? We'll go down here with our line and neutral, 2 hots for a heat pump, 240-volt system, and a ground. And there she goes. Yes, sir. So we're in good shape. You can just...
Oh, that for a switch, huh?
I'm telling you. I'm telling you. So you can revert back to your regularly scheduled programming.
I did.
There we go.
And I just turned it on. Yeah, we're not even using it right now.
Yeah, absolutely. There must be a mean accident going on out there or something.
Sure sounds like it.
God, yeah, it's been like that for...
A big one, last night.
Oh, no.
Mitchell Hammock and Alice.
Oh, I
You
couldn't.
know where that is, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right in the middle. Somebody ran a light and hit a car and flipped it.
Hope y'all enjoyed that video. Simple blower motor change out. Life is easy, life is simple. This job can be grueling and tough, but it can also be easy and simple. We're still sweating up there though, and it was 75 out today, so to contribute that to my metabolism. Oh shit. Yeah, that wraps that up, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, smash the like button, man. Comment down below-y. Subscribe if y'all are new here. You enjoy it, just subscribe. There's no sense in not doing it. What's everybody saying? It's free, just do it, it's free. And all my subscribers, man, y'all already know. I appreciate y'all. And I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Later.